Well, State Representative Dale-Washburn of Macon says he will continue his fight to ban school-zone speed cameras in Macon and across the state. House Bill 225, which was crafted by Washburn, died after state legislators failed to adopt it before last Friday's deadline. 41 NBC's Taylor Gilchrist has the latest.
This is all about money and all about raking in money from citizens.
State Representative Dale-Washburn vows to fight on after the bill he crafted to outlaw school-zone speeding cameras statewide died last week. According to Mayor Lester-Miller, Macon-Bibb County collected $8.9 million in revenue from the cameras over the past 3 years alone, with citations resulting in a fine of $100 on average. Washburn says that figure is jarring.
Who would believe that there are 89,000 drivers in Bibb County that are recklessly speeding through school zones?
Last week, Mayor Miller spoke in favor of the camera, saying there's evidence to support their enhancement of public safety.
We have already seen the number of citations per camera decrease, which means people got a ticket or got a warning and they decreased the amount of speed. So I think anytime you can show that speeds are decreasing in these areas, it's a good thing for school safety.
But Washburn disagrees, calling that argument a misdirection.
There was no problem to begin with. You're issuing tickets when there are no kids walking anywhere. Many of these schools are way off the road where there's no opportunity for kids to be walking.
At last week's commission meeting, Mayor Miller announced a host of projects and pay increases for some county employees using revenue from the cameras. But Washburn says the cameras are doing far more harm than good for residents.
Many times, the poor people who don't have $100 to pay are being given these tickets when they're not really doing anything that's endangering children to start with.
Bibb County Sheriff-David-Davis suspended ticket citations from the cameras last month, awaiting a decision from state legislators. While his bill didn't become state law, Washburn says he's asked the sheriff that the cameras not be turned back on. And he says his work will continue at the state level once the General Assembly reconvenes.
This system is abusive, it is wrong, and it needs to be banished from Georgia.
In Macon, Taylor Gilchrist, 41 NBC News.
And a separate bill, HB 651, which aimed to keep the cameras but rein them in, also failed to pass during the session. According to Public Affairs at the Bibb County Sheriff's Office, Sheriff David Davis and Mayor Lester-Miller are expected to meet soon about the future of those cameras in Bibb County, and a decision will be announced soon after their meeting.